Ladies and gentlemen, I'm here offering another update in our new section of the ever so popular Barfield Downs subdivision. Just minutes from the interstate on the south side of Murfreesboro. We are hopping and jumping, as you can hear in the background. Action going on out here daily. We've got specs going up, we've got pre-sales going up. There's still 20 plus lots that you can choose from. We've got the 9 different house plans we're offering. If you get it early enough, you can pick your brick, pick your paint, your roof, your cabinets, your granite, your flooring, and much more. And I want to reiterate the fact that we're only doing all brick homes, side entry garages, covered back patios on large lots. And the best thing is they begin in the upper 200,000s. I'll be out here Sunday, this Sunday, from 1 to 3. Come visit, I'll take you for a tour. Or you can call me, 615-456-9367. My name is Steve Zavisa, 615-456-9367. Or simply go to barfielddownsliving.com. It's barfielddownsliving.com. Thanks.